Another important Ajax design consideration is to remember that search engines like Google won't be able to see your Ajax content. For example, this is a web page that says is Ajax enabled, and when you click the display message button, it fetches text from the server using Ajax techniques. And as a static web page, this text can be easily indexed and read by Google and other search engines. So the fetch data will go here, would appear in Google, no problem. And the problem comes when you click the display message button and this text was fetched using Ajax, was downloaded from a text file on the server. And the problem is that by default, that text is not going to be read by search engines. It's not part of a web page, it's a text file. And that also goes for other data you generate interactively on the server that Google is not going to be able to read and index and store that kind of data. So it's important to know that the data you display using Ajax is not going to be able to be read by Google and the other search engines, and that can be an issue for you or not. If you want to get included on the other search engines, it's going to be an issue. Otherwise, not such a big problem, but it's something you should know about. And as you see here, this interactive text displayed using a partial update of the browser's window is going to be displayed only to the user and not accessible to search engines when they search your site. So that's something to bear in mind. Your Ajax-enabled text, Ajax-downloaded text and data is not going to be accessible to the search engines, and so people won't be able to search and find your text on the internet. So something to keep in mind. Probably not a big issue, but nonetheless something you should be aware about.